So good morning guys, we are on London session. I just finished my trading session. I got two setups back to back on oil. It was pretty damn good this morning. I got my 1-to-1 and this was like a 1.5, something like this, 1.41. Pretty good setups. This was a breakout setup, which it's a secondary strategy for me. Basically, you get a double bottom or double top and you enter on the 30 EMA. I learned it from someone and it's pretty damn good, but we are going to talk about this demand setup, this supply and demand setup. The only problem that I I didn't risk very much on this is that we had the 200 EMA in the middle, and I really didn't want to push this more than a 1-to-1, but I was seeing the volume. Basically it was like TP was right under this high and I was going like, no, this is pushing very fast and I think I'm going to put it a little bit, because every time here we have liquidity and every time this is going to take liquidity above. So I was like, yeah, I can leave it a little bit. You always, something like this, you always need to leave a little bit because you have spreads, you have commissions, so you are not going to get the full profit. You are going to get a split like 80 something, maybe 90%, but mostly they're 80% for the trader, 20% for the brokerage, for the firm. So always try to leave a little bit. So I try to leave little runners because my strategy, let's say, has a 70 something win rate percent, and my average risk to reward is 1-to-1, but I try to let it above because uh, let's say Monday I got a 1.2 and Tuesday I got a 1.3, and let's say the whole week I was a little bit above 1 point something, like this was like a 1.08 and this was like a 1.40 something. This was the initial trade and it's a little bit above 1-to-1 because let's say today I wasn't making only the 2%, I made 2.5 today. So that's some money that you are going to put in your pocket, because my strategy has, like I said, a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio, but it always pushes a little more and you can make some more money. So that's the best for you. If you don't want to make money, you can live at 1-to-1 every time, but my recommendation is to leave a little bit because, as I said, you have spreads, you have commissions, you are not taking the full money, you take the 80% from it, so it's in your best interest to put some money in your pocket. So let's break this trade again. So 1 minute time frame, we have our break of structure, we have again a break of structure, we grab the rectangle, here we have our zone. We're going to draw it like this. As you see here, we have a fair value gap. This is our gap, okay? So the price started from this consolidation, it pushed above, took liquidity, it's a new high, we are on an uptrend right here on the 1 minute time frame. So we have higher highs, higher lows. The price immediately got back into it, so this little candle, and then this big candle which pushed. I put my entry, and that was it. Got this like this, and I was something above, something like that, and it smashed very good. It was a pretty simple trade. I won it in a little less under 2 minutes, and that was it for the day. It was pretty simple, and yeah, this is the trade breakdown. It's very simple. The strategy is very simple. You just need to back test a little bit, you need to forward test a little bit, get on the live market and try to learn how the candle moves, and how to put your stop loss, how to put your TP a little bit above highs, as I said, to put some money in your pocket. It's it's very simple, and a lot of people are getting emotional in these trades, but you don't have to. I got two back to back on the same session from 10:20 to 11:20, let's say an hour of trading per day. And yeah, I ended the day with 2.5 profit, and that's a huge amount for me. And for everyone, I think ending the day with 2.5% is the perfect thing that you can do. So, thank you for watching.